Hey, what's up everyone? Mark's here. Did you know that 1.5 billion phone cases are dumped every year? Yeah, that's a $22 billion problem just sitting in landfills. But here's the kicker, it's an opportunity for you. Plastic cases take 500 years to decompose. Our landfills are bursting, consumers are frustrated, and single-use plastics are getting banned left and right. But remember this, waste equals opportunity. Introducing EcoGrip Pro, the iPhone case that turns into plant food. Yep, you heard that right. It's 100% biodegradable, twice as shockproof, and embedded with wildflower seeds. So when you're done with it, it nourishes the earth, not the landfill. Why now? Gen Z is all about sustainable tech, spending 300% more on it. By 2025, the eco products market will hit $61 billion. And guess what? No big brands are dominating this space. Yet. Here's the business model. Direct to consumer at $39.99 with viral unboxing videos, wholesale partnerships with Apple resellers and eco boutiques, and B2B custom cases for big names like Netflix and Nike. The profit potential? It costs just $8 to produce and sells for $1.40 plus, giving you a 400% margin. Start with a Kickstarter pre-sale for under $1K or partner with eco-friendly factories in Bali using coconut husks. Social proof? Picture this, 12,000 pre-orders in 48 hours, featured in Fast Company as the Patagonia of phone tech. Now here's the kicker, I'm giving away a free eco launch kit with supplier lists and marketing templates. Just comment Earth below and get started. So, would you pay $40 to turn your trash into flowers? Let me know in the comments, yes or no. Alright, that's a wrap. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more game-changing tech insights. Until next time, peace.